How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be response to a question out to the community by Pat over at Cards Scale Dreams and shoutouts. But before we get this video started, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free, guys. It'll never cost you a thing. This channel is not one of those channels that's going to ask you for money, for PayPals and Patreons and Twitters, and I don't even know what I'm talking about. I did half that stuff. I don't even know what it is. So guys, all I'm asking is if I mention somebody in this video or any of my videos, I always leave a link in the description below. Always go check out the link. Go check them out. Give them a like, share, subscribe, sub. That's all I ask for this community, is to support everybody in the YouTube community. As far as model cars, model building, it could be, the train guys, the Hot Wheel guys, the RC guys, figure painting, gaming, slot cars. It don't matter. Like, share, and subscribe. If I mention them, go check them out. All right. So before we get this going, let's do our shout outs real quick. I got a mail call, and right there is a shop card I got in from Kyle. And he's fairly new to the community. He's a young guy. He's a heck of a model builder. And these models on the his shop card don't even do justice what he can do. He just finished up a Tamiya Audi Quattro rally car. Oh my God, I'm in love with that car. Man, he is just a awesome builder. Go check him out. Kyle, thank you for the kind words. Name's Kyle D. Hart. You can see his Gmail right there if you want a shop card. Like I said, go check him out. RKD Scale Works. He's on YouTube. He will be in the link in the description below. Go check him out. Support our young YouTubers, our young model builders. He's a young guy, and he's a great builder. All right, and he also sent me a little sticker. Awesome. Thank you, Kyle. Appreciate you, brother. And then another guy I want to shout out. Now, I've had his shop card forever, but guys, Rusty Rotors, Rick over there. Go over there and support this guy. He is I think he's got like 958 subs, so he's 42 subs away from getting 1,000. Please, guys, go check him out. He's been doing this for a while. He is one heck of a model builder. He is very, very talented. And if you're subscribed to me, I beg you guys that subscribe to me. He just needs 42 people to subscribe, and he'll be over 1,000. Go push him over 1,000, guys. Go support him, and y'all won't be disappointed. This guy, he is one heck of a model builder, let me tell you. And he was just at the Acme show too, and y'all go check out his videos. He is one heck of a builder, and he does a lot of where he builds for other people. Heck, I can't even think of what it's called, but he is a heck of a model builder. Go check him out. Go get him over 1,000, guys. Go get him there. Thank you. All right. Now, the next part of this is Pat, our Canadian buddy over at Card Scale Dreams. He put out a question to the community. What was the first build you put on YouTube as a YouTube content creator? Okay, Pat, that there will be a hard one, because the car that I got pictured in front of you is actually not my very first, because I was on YouTube once before, years ago when I got on, and I was on there and had lots of videos, and then I wound up getting off YouTube and I deleted all the videos off my channel. So therefore, I could not tell you. I don't remember what my very first model I built or showed or whatever on YouTube. But since I come back, I think I got like 300-400 videos on there now. This would be the very first build since I came back. And this is the Tamiya Morris Mini Cooper 1275S MK1, and that's got the same engine my little MG Midget has in it. 1275. All right, and that's 1275 cc's of fury, let me tell you. You British guys know. But this is the kit I built. This is the box. Still have the box. I got like 100 of these kits in all different, the race, the stock, the Mini Cooper. I mean, I got them all, you know. But this is the kit. We're going to set this to the side. I'm going to put that over there. And put Mr. Pat's card right there. And let's get it out. I didn't even dust it off, guys. I just got it out of the shelf. The window busted out. It's dropped down in there somewhere. I need to try. I don't even know if I can get it back in there. If you really want to know the truth about it, I might be able to. But this is it. I built this. It's not my best work, but it's all right. It's dusty. It's nasty. But one thing I did do to this, boom, I opened up the doors. See if I can get them open. They're hinged up. Everything's falling apart. It's an old build. That's why I just keep it in the case. You can see there, it's not my best hinge work, but this little car fought me because it's so small. It was hard to do, but like I said, it's not my best work, but hey, she'll do. I wired the engine up. You can't see just real good there. You can see the doors. They'll probably even come off. I don't know. You can see it's got the 2 gas tanks. I fabricated, I don't know if that'll open. I fabricated the 2 gas tanks. I put the battery in the back. It's got the spare tire. Sorry, guys. And the other window's coming out now. I don't know if you're going to be able to focus. You can see it's got carpet in it. You can see the dash. Everything. The glass is even coming off the door here. Oh yeah, this car needs to be redone, or just parts glued back on it, I guess. But it goes in the case, and that's where she resides. But there you go, Pat. That is my very first car since I come back to YouTube, and that's a itty bitty old car. That's 1/24 scale. Let me see if I can find a car to put that up against to show you exactly how small that sucker is. Let me see. Here's one of my Land Rovers that I did. Put this over here. Look how small that thing is compared to that. Super small. Alright guys, thank you Pat for putting this question out to the community. I tried my best. Please go check out Kyle. Please go check out Rick at Rusty Rotors. Links will be in the description below. Alright guys, go subscribe, share, like, whatever. Support everybody. Love you. And I'll do another video soon.